Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can activate and use the binocular in your hand by the mouse right-click. You can quickly activate the binocular from your inventory by pressing the L key, lock mode. Press the L key again to put it back. You can use any other items while the binocular is active.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you mine amethyst in Minecraft 1.17, you get the Minecraft Amethyst Shard item. This is the type of Minecraft amethyst used for crafting. Amethyst shards are dropped from the growing minerals called amethyst clusters. These are found growing inside the amethyst geodes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.